You can also create Excel spreadsheets on Google Docs. Here's how. Again, you do need to have a Google account to use Google Docs. So at the very bottom here, you go to create an account, fill out the necessary information, go to the bottom of the page, hit accept, and create my account. Once your account is created, you can go back and sign in. To create a new Excel spreadsheet, go to the top left-hand side of the page under Create New and check Spreadsheet. Now you can start using your Excel spreadsheet just like you would any other way. A couple of new neat features in spreadsheets for Google Docs. Number one is that you can put a date in the field here, like this. Hit enter, and if you want to go back to it, you can double click and select a date for the future to put in there. Now, if you see at the bottom right hand corner, it says, careful, you're editing an unsaved spreadsheet. You can either auto-save or close this and manually save by clicking the Save button at the top right. Some other nice features for spreadsheet users are currency formatting. You can round to 2 decimals. You can do financial statement looking spreadsheets. You can do currencies in many different currencies here. You have the won, the yen, the dollar, the lira, percents, etc. Now you would just highlight the necessary cells, like so. Highlight them. And then we would go back to this, more currencies, and let's put it in the yen. And it displays it as so. Users can also update the locale and time zone for their spreadsheets by going to File, Spreadsheet Settings, then selecting your country and time zone. This can affect your currency and your time settings. So for us it's United States, but you can choose from all these options here. And you can even put your time zone in as well. Save settings when you're done, and they will be applied to your document. Adding formulas is pretty simple. You can do so by clicking the Sigma button here. You can sum, average, count, max, and min. Those are a few more used options, or you can go to more formulas and get more in depth with it. As you can see, there are many different formulas you can put in here: net present value, compute for payment, present value, etc. Let's try finding the sum of the 3 cells we put in now. We would put in equals sum, and it brings up the range here. So we would put in cell A6, A7, and A8. And see, it gives you the formatting underneath. So you need to put an underscore in there. So we put A6, A_7, comma, A_8. Close your parentheses and hit enter. And your value comes in at the bottom there. A probably better way of doing this, a lot easier, would be to click in any cell that's blank, go to the formula function, hit sum, and now type in your cells, or click on them. Close your parentheses at the end, and you have your total there. Now, when you're done with your spreadsheet, you save it, and then you can share it Let's title our spreadsheet. And now we have share options. We can invite people to edit this, and it will tell us who is editing and at what time they're editing. We can get a link to share it, so they can simply click on a website, and as long as they have a Google account, they can access this and start editing it as well. You can see who currently has access to this website, and you can email it as an attachment. Creating documents and spreadsheets on Google Docs is very simple and intuitive and easy to use. Thank you for listening to this presentation on spreadsheets.